Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the travel insurance options on the Virgin Australia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the book button down below, which is the second option. Then click on travel insurance, which is the fourth option at the bottom of the screen. Now you might need to wait a few seconds till the page loads, but after that you will be able to scroll down and select your destination. Then select the departure and return dates on the map. After that, set the age of each travelers, and then select whether all travelers live in Australia and hold a valid Australian Medicare card. So click on the relevant option, then type in the velocity number and the promo code, and then click on the get a quote button down below. And after that you will be able to see the available travel insurance options for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.